as you can see, we still have ammonia left. So before we insert the spoiled sample, we clear the system. So as you can see, the ammonia level is now 0 ppb, and now we can insert the spoiled sample. And now we press the scan button. So here, as you can see, the result is spoiled, and here same goes with the fresh. We can use, or we can click the KNN op, PLSDA, PLSDN op, SVM, and SVM and op for the results. And as for the result, or the mitigation action, it said that there is no mitigation needed, so we need to discard the samples. And for the remarks, it says here that there is a warning that the NH3 or the ammonia is above the threshold level, and the temperature is above the ambient temperature, so the sample is needed to be discarded. And as you can see, the ammonia here is now 7,000 or averaging 7,000 ppb, which is a spoiled sample. Now we can take out the sample